Ty Greene knows bodybuilding is a science. Get the science right with muscle meds.
So shortly right after that, we went from there and went right into what was that? Upright rows. Is that what we did? Yeah, we went into upright rows. Now I've been able to use some pretty impressive weights too. Whenever I do these, I think about Johnny Jackson, you know, his massive thick upper body. Unfortunately, I don't look quite like Johnny Jackson, but you know, we're working on that every day, and I'm taking my muscle meds, Hexogen, so you better watch out. Anyway, upright rows, we're concentrating on trying to keep our elbows above our wrists, you know, and there, as you can see, with a face only a mother can love, we're trying to hammer this out. Also, too, in the past, I do concentrate on trying to get my traps involved in that movement, but with Charles, I've been given some strict instructions to try to just keep it right in my delts. You hear him barking out some instructions as we go to try to get me to isolate more on the front and interior head of my delts. So that was that.
Push. You push him up. Push my hand up in the air. Ready? Go. Up. Come on. Push, 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 push. Go down. Push, 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 push. Go down. Come on. Push, 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 push. Go down. Come on. Do it again. Come on now. Come on. Go. Push, 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 push again. Come on. Push, push, push. There you go. That's it. Bring it. Tight. Elbow. Tight. Bring it. Tight. Bring it. Tight. Bring it. Tight. Bring it. Stop. Put it down. Take two up, Paul. Let's go. Get it. Go. Bring it. Bring it. Come on. Come on. Stop. Put it down. Go. Get it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Cool. Up. Up. Yeah. Put it down. Step back. Step back. Elbows out. Ready? Pull them up. Go. Come on. Go. Elbows up. Come on. Pull it up. Come on. Pull. Again. Pull. Again. One more. Come on. Pull. 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 That's
it. Next up was a shrug. You know, shrugs in the I forget what the name of that company is that makes this piece of equipment, but it's a shrug machine, no less, plate loaded, and pretty interesting to try to get the feel for. Usually I do this movement just with the straight barbell, and you can use a barbell in any gym that you find, you know, for standard, you know, shrugs either to the front of your body or to the rear. I like to do both. This machine is probably this is the third time I've probably used this machine, and you know, we're still working on it. We're still working on getting it together. Gotta breathe. Let's see.
There you go. Come on. Make it come out. Make it come out. Yeah. Let me feel it in there. Come on. Squeeze, squeeze. There you go again. Come on. Squeeze again. Come on. Squeeze. That's it.
Yeah, I am. I'm enjoying it.
There you go. That's it. Do it again. Come on. Squeeze. That's it. Come on. Come on. Push it. Push it. In there. In there. That's it. Good. Do it again. Shoulders back. Squeeze it now. Squeeze it. There you go. Let it go. Come on. Do it again. Squeeze. Come on. Here we go. Come on. Pull, 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 pull. Come on. Get it up. Get it up. Up, up. There you go. Do it again. Ready? Come on. Pull, 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 pull. That's it. Come on. Come on now. It's working. Come on. That's it. Show them where to feel it. Come on. That's it. Come on. Shoulders back. Come on. That's it. Lean back. Lean back. That's it. Put it in there. Come on. Right there. Squeeze. Come on. That's it. Pull it now. Come on. Pull it. Again. Three more. Three. You need two. Come on. Get two. Come on. I need one more. One. Big one. Squeeze. Pull. That's it. Not always.
Next movement from there was a shoulder press. It's on a hammer strength machine. You know, shoulder presses are like the, bread and butter mass movement or multi-synergistic movement for your shoulders. Secondary muscle groups would be like your triceps and stuff. But primarily, we're concentrating on trying to drive through our shoulders and use, our delts to make them responsible for the movement. This is a different movement, though. I never really have done this before like this. We have to credit, Charles at the helm, Charles Glass, and his assistant Paul, helping me out a great deal on executing these. What you see me doing is actually trying to work my way through it. I'm concentrating, and at the same time, this is the first time I've ever done this movement before, like this. Traditionally, I would sit in your standard, barbell shoulder press, in the gym, like most of you people at home already do. And at another time, I've been able to boast about using some pretty impressive weights, but not today. Anyway.
That's it.
That's the reason I wanted to change
Come on. Up. 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 Quarter off. Go. Come on. Come on. Change up. All of it. Come on. Again. One more. Go.